So I am extremely excited for today because today is my first official open house. It's not mine, it's not my listing. I don't even have my license yet. I'm in the process of doing it, but it's my first open house that I attend. I've been looking forward to this day for a very long time and I'm just excited. I'm not really there to do anything. Like I said, I don't even have my license yet, but I wanted to record it because I wanted to record the process of it and I just wanted to take you guys along for my journey. I'm gonna meet pretty much the friend of a friend and he's just gonna guide me through. It's gonna be kind of like a shadowing experience. I'm also gonna try to record as much as I can of the house. Hopefully no one feels uncomfortable. I'm obviously gonna ask for permission and take some pictures. It's just something that's a little bit nerve-wracking and it's something that's out of my comfort zone, but I'm all about that. I like to get comfortable with the uncomfortable, and luxury real estate is something that I look forward to get into, but in order to get into it, you have to get into the game, you have to know the game, and you just need to learn, meet new people, and just get comfortable with that sort of environment. And it's just super exciting because it's the beginning of my journey and I'm gonna take you guys along the whole process and you know, when I get my license, and I'll be showing you guys my listings and all that. I also want to show you guys real quick what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this black bodysuit from ASOS. This is from R& Jewels, and this tropical skirt from, where did I get the skirt from? From Burlington. I think that it's just quite on theme with the house because it's a very Miami sort of like Spaniard home. So I feel like it goes on theme. I know that I'm so extra, but I just think about this kind of stuff. So I'll be catching you guys later, alligator. Alright, so this is the second house that we are at today. I didn't record the first one because it's not really my style, but this is the one that I was really interested to show you guys. It is absolutely beautiful. This is a Key West style house, I believe he said, but it's very nice. And this is the front of the house. It's very quiet, very peaceful. It's gorgeous. That reminds me of Harry Potter. What is this called again? This section right here? Butler's what? Kitchen? Pantry. What I love the most is the kitchen. Don't worry, you're not gonna be in it. I can move. No, it's okay. I don't mind. Yeah. You posted it Yeah, I commented on your picture. Hey! This is the main living room, which you get an amazing view for the pool right over there. So spacious and bright. Right over here, we're going upstairs to the guest area, which is, I mean, shoot, I would want to stay there. Alright, so now we are in the guest area and they have their little, you know, little living room. Kind of out of breath and out of shape by going up those stairs. And the room is the guest room, which they have a nice balcony, as you can see behind me, which faces the front of the house. This is a better look at it. It's very spacious. I mean, it's a guest room, but it's beautiful. Your French doors that open to the front of the house with a pretty big, ignore that, with a pretty big balcony. This is another look, and like I said, you this, and then right in front you have the restroom again, and you walk out and they have their little living room area. So that's where you first enter, and you take up these stairs, and we're going up now. I just noticed that I'm chewing, and you guys probably heard that. So this is another living room area that they have, and you see the balcony which goes towards the guest area right over there. And that's me. All right, so this is just like a little kid's room. And we're heading towards now the master bedroom, which is absolutely beautiful and opens up to another balcony which faces the back of the house and the pool. As you can see, the balcony is huge. Now we walk towards this way, and this is the master bathroom, which is also tremendous. And that's me again. Hello. So nice. So it's actually 4 days later since I last went to the open house, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick recap of how it went. How did I feel? Did I enjoy it, etc. Also, don't mind the face. I just got off work. I just took a shower and I'm tired. Overall, the day in total was actually really fun. It was really intriguing. It was exciting most of all, and it put things into perspective. So the location that I went to is about 30 to 35 minutes on a Sunday with no traffic, so clearly it's pretty far. And I'm really grateful that the guy allowed me to come. He was super nice, he was very energetic, he had a great personality, and he answered all the questions that I could think of at the moment in time. And he was really nice. He was also young, so it made me feel comfortable. I didn't feel like out of place or anything. It's pretty much my first experience in just dipping my toes into luxury real estate. I really wanted to vlog more, but I'm not like a vlogger, so I just don't really feel that comfortable doing it. He was totally cool with it. He actually has a vlog channel. I'm actually gonna put his vlog channel in the description down below. He has like some real estate videos and whatnot. He's really cool, so you guys I'm sure will enjoy. So he doesn't even know that I'm putting it there, but I will, so you guys can like check it out or whatever. First property that we went to was a townhome, I believe it was advertised as, but to me it's more like a condo. It was a 2-floor condo. It was cool, it was modern. And the second property was this really big house down in the Grove area, and I was actually gonna include him in my vlog, but towards the end, when I forgot, I was kind of like tired towards the end, and the last 30 minutes that we were there, 2 people showed up. Didn't really have time to include him towards the end, but if I do go again, I will show him in like my vlogs and stuff, if he wants, of course. But overall, like I said, it put things into perspective. Through conversation, he found out that like I live farther away from there, and he was like, oh, you're not even from here. I'm like, no. He's like, so you should probably look to go to open houses and network with people around the beach area, because that's like where I'm closer by. It's where there's another market for luxury properties. And I was just like, yeah, but I really wanted to, you know, network around the Grove area, which is where I went on Sunday. But I did start thinking about it after I left, and I was like, you know what, he's right. Because through conversation that he was having with other people, I wanted to jump into certain conversation, but I couldn't because I didn't know the area well. And in real estate, you don't only talk about properties, you also, you know, try to sell the area. I was like, I could learn the Grove area, but realistically, I have to come here every week or every day in order for me to get familiar with the coffee shops around there, the school district. Even though all that information is on Google, it's never ever the same as you living close by there or you being in that environment every day. Meanwhile, in the beach area, I know it left and right. I know it like the back of my hand. So I started to think about that and I was like, you know what, he's right. So my next plan is to look for brokers or higher up realtors that I can shadow or talk to and get to know them and go to their open houses around the beach area. So this is currently what I am thinking about and looking into, and properties around the beach area are. So that is what I'm going to do. So 2 days before I went to the open house, I actually registered with the department. I got my fingerprints done that day and I'm just waiting for them to reply so I can schedule my state exam the first week of January, and I'm so excited so I can finally put into practice. But overall, the experience was really nice. I enjoy the properties and it made me think how this is something that I definitely want to do. That was the main purpose of me going to the open house, seeing the behind the scenes, seeing the environment. Do I enjoy this? Is this something that I really want to go towards or should I just dive into law school right here and then? And I enjoyed it. So I'm super excited to bring you guys along the road and showcase my journey through it. So yeah, that's about it for today's vlog. I'm super excited to go to the next open house. I will try to get better footage and be a little bit more fun. I know that this vlog is kind of boring and kind of all over the place, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and as always, I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one.